Sick of grabbing a grimy faucet handle every time you're cooking or cleaning? A touchless kitchen faucet fixes that. Cleaner hands, less mess, and a modern look for your sink. In this video, we're breaking down some of the best touchless faucets on the market and what makes each one worth considering. If you want more details or to grab a deal, check the links in the description below. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Auto Care Secret, your go-to channel for real fixes, real tools, and real results. Number 1. Moen 75 and 94 EVC Touchless Kitchen Faucet. First up is the Moen 7594 EVC, a great pick if you want multiple ways to control your faucet. It offers voice control, app control, hands-free motion sensing, and standard manual operation, so you can pick whatever fits the moment. Pair it with Alexa or Google Assistant, and you can ask it to pour an exact amount of water, handy for something like filling a baby bottle hands-free. The built-in motion sensor also lets you start and stop flow with just a wave. And the Moen app lets you save custom settings and track your water usage over time. It's finished in a sleek chrome that fits most kitchen styles. Still works the old-fashioned way with the handle when you want, and runs on D batteries. Everything you need for installation comes in the box. Number 2. Moen 1080SN Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Next is the Moen 1080SN, built around simple, reliable, hands-free use. Its motion sensor starts and stops the water with one wave, and the pull-down sprayer switches between a focused stream and a wider spray depending on the task. A nice safety touch. An LED light changes color based on the water temperature, so you can see at a glance if it's running hot. Great for keeping kids and older family members safe. It's made from stainless steel and lead-free. Brass for durability and rust resistance. Installs quickly thanks to a quick connect system, and runs on 4 AA batteries rated to last around 2 years. Number 3. BioBidet Aqua 7000 CP Touchless Kitchen Faucet. The BioBidet Aqua 7000 CP brings motion sensing convenience along with a clever extra, smart latch technology, which automatically turns the water on when you pull down the sprayer and shuts it off when you put it back. The pull-down sprayer itself offers both stream and spray settings for different jobs around the sink. It's designed for an easy DIY install, runs on batteries so there's no hard wiring involved, and its high arc shape and polished finish give it an upscale look without sacrificing everyday function. Number 4. Pfister LG 529 EAS Touchless Kitchen Faucet. Rounding out the list is the Pfister LG 529 EAS, which uses React touch-free sensing to start water flow the moment your hand comes within, about 3 inches. Its pull-down sprayer has 3 modes: spray, stream, and pause, so it adapts easily to whatever you're doing at the sink. A smart stop feature automatically cuts the water after 3 minutes of inactivity, which helps save water without you having to think about it. It works with 1 or 3 hole sink setups, comes with a deck plate for cleaner installation, and can be powered either by plugging in or with a separate battery pack. That's it for today's fix. If this saved you some money and stress, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next repair. Got a plumbing question? Drop it below. I read every comment. This has been Plumbing Fix USA. Stay dry and I'll catch you in the next one.